Welcome to IELTS Express. This is an IELTS speaking mock test practice designed to simulate the real test environment and help you build confidence. If you would like to see how to approach each question, check out our sample answers video for detailed guidance to boost your preparation. Let's talk about goals and aspirations. Part 1. Do you often think about your future? What was your dream job when you were a child? Do you think it's important to have dreams and aspirations? Have your aspirations changed over time? What do you think influences people's aspirations? Thank you. This is the end of part 1. Part 2. Now, in this part, I'm going to give you a topic. You will have 1 minute to prepare, and you can take notes if you wish. Then, you will speak for 1 to 2 minutes. Describe a goal or ambition you have achieved. You should say what it was, how you worked to achieve it, how you felt after achieving it, and explain why it was important to you. This is the end of IELTS Speaking Part 2. Part 3. Now we move on to Part 3. I'm going to ask some general questions related to the topic. Why is it important to set goals? What challenges do people face when pursuing their aspirations? Do you think aspirations differ between generations? How can parents help their children achieve their dreams? What role does education play in achieving one's aspirations?